Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix delete keys not working. This is the problem. Then step by step I to solve this problem. Okay. Then first step are check the any damage using for your keyboard PC or laptop to anyone to you will check the anyone damage for the this keyboard. So this is the problem issues. You will change the keyboard. Okay. And this is a no damage to you will restart the computer. The next step for run as the keyboard troubleshooter. Get open the settings, click to the update and security, click to the troubleshooter, click to the next additional troubleshooters. You will set it for the keyboard, then you will set it to run as troubleshooter to any one problem to get fixed. The next step for update the keyboard driver. Then get open the device manager. You will double click to open the keyboard application, then right click to update driver. The next step for run is troubleshoot the hardware and devices. Get you will typing for the go to search the run, then you will search to see the this page open to you will type it for msdt.exe space hyphen id space device dynastic. You will type it to click to end. Okay. Then see the this page open it to you will set it the hardware and devices. You will set it to click to next to any one problem to get fixed. Then next step for try the on-screen keyboard. This is the anyone problem to using the keyboard only problem, or this is the anyone driver problem to you will get check to the get open the keyboard, then you will click to type to anyone not working only and working get check to get fix this problem. Okay. Then you will get the first three steps is finished. This is a problem for solve it, but not solve it to you will come to the next steps. Okay. Then final step for update the windows. This is the anyone updated vending to this is the problem issues anyone keyboard updates anyone driver updates for updating stop to you will get some updates. Okay. Then anyone doubt to pin the comment and thank you for watching.